Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make charts. Alright, so the first chart, the most basic kind of chart that everybody who likes charting knows about, that's the bar chart. So, select your table, it has to be in this format. This column right here will become the x-axis labels. This will become the title. Bar charts are good when you have data that doesn't necessarily correlate, but it's still uh, related in similar subject. So as you saw, I just went to insert and clicked on the kind of chart I wanted. Now, these two charts are mainly used when you only have one value. But what happens when you have two values? Well, let's delete that chart. If you have two values, this chart will display them stacked and this will display them side by side. But since my values are very small, I would prefer to use a percentage bar chart because this makes it more visible. And when the data doesn't necessarily correlate and depend on one another, a proportional difference like this does not really matter all too much. But as we can see here, my chart does not have a title, so I shall be giving it a title. The reason it doesn't have a title is because um, I have had two values and it does not know which one to assign. And since these two values are both within the chart, they've been given legends instead. So we will call it properties of food. And maybe we can add some axes labels so people aren't confused. So go to add chart elements. You can add all sorts of things, data labels, things like that. This can be kind of helpful because with a percentage bar chart, you don't really get the individual values of the different variables, so data labels can be quite helpful in that manner. But we're just going for axes titles. So here will be percentage. Here will be food type. Not food type, but food type. So yeah, that's how you make a basic bar chart. And if you want, you can always make pie charts instead. Well, pie charts can't display two values though. Oh yeah, and if you want to be super fancy, you can always change the style of your chart. That's about it.